Okay, let's see. We got a Plymouth Superbird here, number 14, driven by Richard Brickhouse. I believe that's the name. It is a Evolution analog car, and got a nice design for a Superbird. 426 cubic inch engine in it. Let's see here. I'll show the other side. It is not digital. It'll take a little bit for it to be digital. Add a chip to it, make sure the switches are there. Okay, we'll put it on the track here. We'll be doing a test. And hang on a second here. Turn the power on. And let's drive around the, oh, you got it plugged in the wrong lane here. Okay. Now we'll drive around slow so you can see the track it's running on. A nice straightaway there, a curve, and then comes right back in. Okay, we'll get set up for testing. Okay, and then I'm going to set the tripod down over here. So try to make sure most of the track is seen. Sorry guys, for me to hold the tripod and try to run this straight across without jerking around with the camera and stuff doesn't work too well. Again, here's what we're dealing with here. And I don't know if that's really Richard Brickhouse inside there or not. But okay, let's set it down here and let's get ready to roll. Make sure everything's set right here. Okay, let's start it up, see what we could get it for its fastest lap. Whoa, slid out there on the 1/60th turn. Again, I'm running everything stock at first here. I'm not taking it apart. I have not changed tires. They're all stock tires. Haven't changed the guide blade. It is all Carrera stock, Evolution analog, Plymouth Superbird. I'll put more information in the description. Okay, we're on our last lap. Let's see if we can. That's it. I'll bring it back around again. Many of you have asked in my email what this barrier is. And It is old placemats cut in half, old used ones. So now they got a little roughed up, but right now they're working because this track runs right along the edge of this table. These two tables, four tables, and it presents a problem if I don't have this kind of height. I like to cut the height about half from this, but I would be probably ordering new placemats. Now, these clips you see here are what I use to clip that on. Okay, and I got them on Amazon. They're pretty cheap. Okay, let's see here. Here's the car again. Really like the designing on it. And there's the driver. Very nice. Let's see what the fastest time was. Fastest lap time was 5.14 seconds. Okay, well, thanks for watching, and see you next time.